Peace and blessings to the fam. This your big homie Jared. I've been away for a while, but I'm back with something dope for you to check out. Shout out to all you new and returning visitors. It's been a long time since I dropped a video, but I had to get in front of you guys and check out this New Balance 990 V1 that I just got in. So yeah, man, if you are new, consider subscribing. I haven't been doing videos, but I promise you I will. I've been getting a lot of heat this past year, and I'm definitely going to do more about showing these to you guys and giving you my 2 cents on each of those that I do come across. But anyways, the New Balance 990 VS1. Let's take a look at the box real quick. Give y'all a quick look. New Balance box, kind of an old retro style, a little bit different than the US made box that we used to get in the gray with the stripes and things. This is actually the same type of box that the ALD 550s came in. Kind of a flimsy box, but I like it, something different. And as you can see, there goes the tag. Pause it, read it if you like. But like I said, 990 VS1. Now, some goodies that came in this particular box, I was surprised to see. A dust bag that has New Balance. And then at the top, as you can see, it has V Series, what I guess is their factory in Boston. And then you got the dates that each version of the New Balance 990 versions were released. Now, this is the V1, like I said, originally released back in 1982. If you did not know, the first athletic shoe, regardless of brand, to ever retail for $100. So at the time, it was the creme de la creme, cutting edge when it came to technology. Checked off all three boxes of what you would want performance-wise for a running shoe: stability, flexibility, and cushioning. So yeah, man, I was able to get this off of Extra Butter, then New York, which is a retailer I had never done business with, but they were able to get this shoe out to me after I had won a raffle that they were conducting. And actually, I got notification I had won the raffle before it was even over, like a day before. So I don't know if that meant nobody was checking for these or what, but I was gladly able to pick these up. And you know how it's been in the sneaker world, everything sells out, so it was just kind of a breath of fresh air to finally get something with no stress. So also in the box, you got 3 different laces. You got a darker gray, a lighter gray, and a red. And of course, we got the white that's in the shoe right now. So without any further ado, let's talk about this shoe. You know, I like to talk about the materials, the quality and such, and then we talk about the cushioning, and then we last like to end it off with the fit. So as far as the materials, you know New Balance, you already know how they come in. The quality on this suede is second to none, the best in the business. I've said it before and I'll say it again. You can see the multicolor. Ooh, just look at that. Look how buttery that is. And I'm sorry, even the best of other brands, kind of hard to stand up to this New Balance stuff right here. So as you can see, the gray suede wraps all around the shoe. Then of course you got this mesh, breathable mesh in this darker gray that makes its way to the top of the toe box. Different parts of the shoe. You got the heel area, and then another aspect of the shoe, the back heel, is this 3M hit, which is the only 3M hit on the shoe. And then also we have this kind of vinyl New Balance N logo and this kind of retro bold N look, which I really like. And it's not like a soft leather. I don't know if I can get at you. It's kind of one of those cheap vinyl leathers, but it's probably like true to the OG, so I don't mind that. So you have this V1 or version 1 tag in red here. I don't think that's something that's on the original shoe, but a nice touch, I guess Extra Butter decided to put in the shoe. Now if we go to the insole, soft insole, nothing major, and we see New Balance version series. So this is the VS part of the style code, which leads me to believe they might be doing multiple versions of this in this collection. So we might get a V2, V3, V4, and if so, I'll be glad to pick all of those up. I don't have any other V1s in my collection, and I do not have a V2 or a V3, so I need those. So hopefully Extra Butter, if you're listening, go ahead and follow through with that idea if you haven't already done so. So moving over to the outsole, we got the Vibram outsole, which is going to give you that long-lasting durability and all of that as far as this particular shoe. Now, moving on to the comfort. Now, this is a shoe, like I said, originally released in 1982. New Balance hasn't done much to update it. So the cushioning is probably the exact same formulation that was in the foam in the original shoe, which of course at the time was great, but now might be a little dated. But in terms of foot comfort, I'm really happy. New Balance always does a great job of creating shoes that just fit, feel good all day. So it's not the softest like React or maybe Adidas Boost, but it's going to give you that all day long comfort that you're not going to have to worry about your legs or your ankles hurting because it's too squishy. Like, that's not going to be an issue with these. So the last bit I guess I forgot was that heel tab portion here, which is like a plastic, maybe a hard rubber. I would say plastic though, with the New Balance logo. It's going to give you some of that heel stability. So as far as the comfort, everything is good, man. It's not super squishy, but it's going to give you that quality comfort. Now, last but not least, what's most important with shoes like this, especially if you can't go in and try them on, you want to know how they fit. So most New Balance, if you know, it's going to have that wider toe box, going to fit a little bit bigger to me than most other shoes from other brands, and this is no different. It really feels like a 990, like a V5 or a V4 if you're familiar. So for me, I'm an 11.5, 12 in most shoes, probably more of a 12 in other brands, but in New Balances like these, I gotta go down a half size. Now, that's just because I like that snug fit. I like to wear my laces loose, and sometimes if I go 12, it's like a little heel slippage. So for this shoe, actually, it's a 12, and I just wanted to play it safe just in case it did fit snug, but it actually does not fit snug. It's like your normal 990 shoe size, right? So 12 works for me. A little bit of extra room in the toe and the heel than I prefer, but it's still going to be good. So just as a suggestion, I guess, if you are in between sizes and you like that snug fit, go down to that lower size. But if you do like a little room, go true to size on these. So I don't know if you'll be able to get these again. It might just be a limited run on these, but you might be able to check the resale markets like GOAT, StockX, maybe Eastbay. These might pop up there, or you can just get the 30th anniversary edition. I do see sizes of those on eBay going for around 100, 120, which will save you some money, because I don't know if I mentioned it, but these were 185, so a little bit higher. But as far as the quality, I can never feel like I got cheated from New Balance, period, especially considering what other brands are putting out at a higher price point. I'm happy with this shoe right here. So in the comments below, let me know if you were able to cop this pair, and if so, what color laces are you gonna rock? Are you gonna rock the white, keep it OG stock, or are you gonna do the gray, dark gray, light gray, or the red? Let me know in the comments below. But anyways, as always, thank you guys for checking out the content. I promise this will not be the last one for 2021. I will definitely be giving you guys some more looks of a lot of shoes that I've been getting. If you follow me on IG, which if you don't, go ahead and do that. You see I pick up a lot of sneakers, and a lot of them I don't even show, but I haven't had the technology to edit the videos the way I like, so I haven't been uploading videos, but that's all about to change. I got to get it out to the people, man. Got to get it out to the people. So I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Hope everybody's safe, being safe, and all of that good stuff. Until next time, y'all take care. And as always, stay humble and proceed.